Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Discord Mobile. You can send direct messages here, so select like a person and say like hello, for instance. You can also call them by pressing the call button over here, but I'm not gonna do that because the screen recording will stop when I do that. And if I want to join a channel, it is the same thing as the one on your desktop, on your PC, I guess. Go to a server and select a channel and then select join voice. If you want to be muted before, just select the mute button over here and join muted. You can also text, chat with people on the text channels by saying hello here. You can also add an emoji too, like so. And you can also edit permissions if you own the server. You can invite people here too. And you can edit your profile, like set your status to online, for instance, account, user profile. You can also edit the voice settings. You can change the appearance to a light mode, but I like to use the dark mode. And then you can edit the voice. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!